Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'm going to show how I package and store my hops when I dry them. After I dried my hops in the dehydrator, or you can do it in the oven, there'll be a video over here somewhere at the end. I package my my hops in a vacuum sealer like this one. Just like it's the one I use for my sous vide. Yeah, and it's the same way I do with all my hops. When I open a bag, I seal the bag up, I vacuum it, vacuum seal it. Yeah, so basically that's it. Take a look here. And that's it. Now it's ready to go in the freezer. Yeah, and I used mine for hop tea. I don't use them for beer because I don't think the quality is good enough. But that's up to you. Making a hop tea is a good idea to test out your hops if they're good enough to put in your beer. But yeah, have a brewing out there.